Welcome guys to Tornado Boys. We're we are playing just two tornadoes. This game is very good. I'm not new. I played this game before. Sorry. I have like the second best car. To let y'all know, I have a chat my old channel. My old channel is gone. I don't know how. A tornado outbreak? Yay. Okay, what should we? Okay, where's the tornado? I'm a great navigator. I just look back. If any of y'all have tips, okay, I'll read some. I'll read some in your chats. Become a smart creator. I don't know I can survive this, but let's see. I have second best car in the game. Oh. I have played this game before, and I look like I don't. This is the new Twister. I like the Twister movie. It's a great movie. I like learning about tornadoes. That's why I named myself Tornado Boy. Okay, I'm lagging so bad. Grab this, exit, put the probe and the umbrella and the missile. It is pretty strong. I think my car survived this. My car. Yeah, I'm fine. If I have like the TF2, I think I'll be fine. So. If you have any tips, just write in the comments. Can you like and subscribe? If you can unsubscribe later if you want. I can't force you to subscribe. My voice has very like. My voice like. What am I first showing? Bubble. I think we don't understand each other well. Okay, I survived. So I think I'll go use the Titus to check if the Titus can survive EF5. One, the car Dominator 1 just got yeeted as I saw. Titus, I think Armadillo can survive. Titus, I know I went to a downgrade, but I want to see. Love the Twister movie because I love tornadoes. I don't know if I should edit it because I'm like a little bit lazy. Okay, I'll tell you, my old channel is like Timmy Tough Duckles, or like Timmy dot Duckles, Timmy dot Duckles TIV. I think so. I don't know, but I forgot. It's very dark. I don't like this. I don't like storm chasing at night because it's very hard to see the tornado. I mean, it's very hard. Twist, it can survive. I'm gonna put a pro down because I'm pretty sure it's not gonna survive, but let's get on top. No. I'm pretty sure it's gonna get picked up because you go to the 200s. You go to 100, like you can only survive in the like the hundreds. Told you. The title is. I recommend using the Storm Punisher for starters. If you start the game, you should use the Storm Punisher. I think yeah, this is the car I'm talking about. No. Yeah, Punisher, the Storm Punisher. You should use this. It's good. It'll cost so much. You can save a lot more money. It's better than Dominator. But I'm not sure about that, but don't care. I'm saving it for the Storm Rumor. Whatever, I think so. Expo. Well, let me think if the. I'll use the Storm War if it can survive EF5. They should add like they should add the Twister car, like the one car like drills to the ground. They already add tires. They need to add another Twister car in the game. Not gonna lie. A lot of games already add them. They should like. Chat. I can't live stream because I need 50 subscribers. I don't know if it can survive, but let's see. I think I have no time to reach that. I think so. I don't know. Today, oh yeah, I know I have ADHD, social anxiety, bad memory, bad hearing, bad eyesight, and all that stuff. I need glasses. If I if I sit in the front seat and I still cannot see the whiteboard. My school. Okay, guys. No, not that interesting because this is my first. It's not my first, but bro, I'm cooked. That's why I'm deployed. To let everyone know who's new to this game, you can't if you move around and try to deploy. You can't. You just do not move. That's do not move, and that's how you deploy. For new people who join the game, to let people know, you see deploy, but okay, they'll give you like 20,000. I don't know about how much money they will give you. They like 20,000. I don't know, guys. Can you fact check me? Or like 20,000 or more, they'll go give you like a lot of money. Okay, guys, I'm going to end the video. Thank you guys for watching. And thank you for watching this video, and I hope you have a great day. Bye, Tornado Boys. Wait, oh, and girls.